All right, time for lunch. Hey, what are you guys doing in here? Well, since you're here, my name's Sarah, and I'm on a mission to lose 100 pounds my way. I did not have a plan for lunch today, so you get to come along with me and figure out what the heck I'm gonna eat. Now, usually when I don't know what to have for lunch, I end up having a salad, so I think that's what we're gonna do. So let's get started, and for goodness sake, get out of my refrigerator. All right, let's see what we've got in the lettuce drawer. Oh, look at that. Some butter lettuce. Avocado. Nah, not today. Let's get that. Let's see. Not really seeing any other salad stuff in here, so let's go to the pantry. So in the pantry, I found some seasoned croutons. We've got some cherry cranberry picano, which this is really tasty. I love this salad pizzazz stuff. If you've ever looked at it, it's pretty healthy. And I've got my butter lettuce, but you know what this is missing? Some protein. So we're gonna have to cook something up to add to this. I don't have any meat out, so let's go ahead and see what's in my fridge. Oh my goodness. It's a little overwhelming right now. But let's take a look. Let's see what we've got. Bacon burgers, spicy chicken patties, and a lot of chicken nuggets. Well, that won't work. Maybe we'll cut up the nuggets. Let's see. Yeah, let's do that. I like to pop these bad boys into the air fryer just because they come out nice and crispy. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and set my air fryer to 5 minutes and hit start. Let that heat up while I get it on the pan. So while my oversized chicken nugget is heating up, I'm gonna go ahead and start assembling the rest of the salad. I always use my handy dandy food scale to weigh and measure all of my food portion sizes accurately. So I'm gonna get a bowl and we're gonna start building this salad. A good rule of thumb with a salad is always use a bigger bowl than what you think you need. Kind of looks like this lettuce was on its deathbed, so I'm glad I decided to do this. But we're gonna weigh out 85 grams of salad. All right, let's reset. Now we're gonna add our croutons. I'm gonna do 2 servings of croutons, which is, there's 7 grams per serving, so it'll be 14 grams total. Now for our cherry cranberry picano, which the serving size is also 7 grams. So we're gonna whoops, I changed it to ounces. So we're gonna reset that. There needs to be some cheese involved in this salad, so I'm gonna go grab some real quick. So why don't we just go ahead and not dirty a dish. So this is gonna be 28 grams, so resetting again. Now there's only 2 things left. We need that chicken to finish, which it's got about 5 minutes to go. And then we're gonna need some salad dressing. So for our salad dressing, we are going to use my very favorite Ken's Steakhouse Light Creamy Caesar. 2 tablespoons is 90 calories and 9 grams of fat. Not too shabby. The serving size on this is 31 grams, so we will go ahead and scale out again. Now, the salad dressing comes out so fast, I'm going to try and be really careful. I went a little over. That's okay. While I'm waiting for my chicken to finish up, I'm going to go ahead and track the calories and the food in my Spark People app so that I can tell you exactly how many calories and all the other macros there are. Okay, so my spicy chicken patty is out of the air fryer, nice and crispy. And now I'm just gonna cut it up and put it in the bowl. All right, cut it up. Just gonna add it all in.
I was hoping my air conditioner would shut off before I started recording this, but it's taking forever because it's super hot out. So I'm just gonna get right to it. This whole salad has 520 calories, 32 grams of carbs, 30 grams of fat, and 19 grams of protein. So not too shabby, not perfect by any means, but neither is a weight loss journey. And considering that I didn't have anything planned, this is a pretty tasty lunch and it'll probably keep me filled up all day. I'm filming this video as part of a small YouTuber weight loss support challenge. Please be sure to check out all the other videos in the description box below. All of them have made their different lunch ideas, so not only will you meet some really awesome new channels, but you'll get a ton of different lunch ideas to help you plan throughout the week. I appreciate you for taking the time to watch my video. If you liked what you saw, give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I'll see you real soon.